Morning students. So in the previous class what we learned exercise 2.3 up to 8 Romans we are completed and 9 is of the last sum. After this sum I will start IIT. Okay. So when a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, use remainder 2. And x plus 2 use remainder minus 2. Find a and b. So here what is given? Let p of x equal to, what is the polynomial given? 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. It is divided by x minus 2, use remainder 2. So the 0 of the polynomial what is that? Which one is divided? X minus 2. The 0 of the polynomial x minus 2, not 1. X minus 2 is, x minus 2 equal to 0, you will take x is equal to plus 2 will get. So what is that? 2. What is the 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2 is 2. Okay, now replace x by 2. Okay, p of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. So 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 8. Plus 3 into 2 square means 4. A into 2 means 2a plus b. So 2 into 8, 16. 3 4 12 plus 2a plus b. Add this. What is that? 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. So 28 plus 2a plus b. And here what is given? It use remainder 2. So remainder is, it use remainder 2. So therefore 28 plus 2a plus b equal to, what is the remainder? 2. Okay, next one, another division given. What is an x plus 2 use remainder minus 2. Next, save the 0 of the polynomial. The 0 of the polynomial x plus 2 is, what is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2 is? Minus 2. Minus 2. Now same, replace x by minus 2. Replace it. So p of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b. So 2 into minus 2 cube means minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square means 4 minus 2a plus b. So 2 into minus 8 means minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b. What is the answer? Minus 4 minus 2a plus b. And it use remainder minus 2. It use remainder minus 2. So therefore minus 4 minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Okay. Now this equation is first equation and this equation is second equation. Okay, ma'am. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. You can subtract equation from second equation. Okay. So what is the second equation? Minus 4 minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. First equation is 28 plus 2a plus b equal to 2. Subtract minus minus minus. Minus 4 minus 28 how much? Minus 32. Minus 2a how much? Minus 4a plus b will be cancelled. Here minus 2 minus 3 is minus 4. So minus 4a equal to minus 4. Here minus 32 transposed to right hand side, what will become? Plus 32. So minus 4a is equal to 32 minus 4. How much? 28. So a is equal to 28 by, here minus 4 come to down, division 4 7. So a is equal to how much? Minus 7. A equal to minus 7. Now you have to substitute a is equal to minus 7 in first equation or second equation, so you will get b value. Okay, ma'am? Come on, write this. Next, you have to substitute a value in 1 and 2 equations. Any equation you have to substitute. Okay, substitute a equal to minus 7 in second equation. Okay, and take a second equation. Minus 4 minus 2 into a. What is the a value? Minus 7 plus b equal to minus 2. So minus 4 minus of minus plus 2 7 14 plus b equal to minus 2. So 14 minus 4 how much? 10 plus b is equal to minus 2. B equal to minus 2. Here plus 10 is get transposed to here. What will become? Minus 10. So b equal to minus 12. Okay? Come on, right. So a is equal to minus 7, b is equal to minus 12. So we have completed exercise 2.3 mark. Now IIT. So in the IIT we have completed up to page number 13. Next one is different pattern of numbers. See the page number 14 mark. Different pattern of numbers. First one is the number of numbers which can be written with n digits are 9 into 10 power n minus 1. So that means the total number of digits. How many? How can you find? The number of digits. What is that formula? 9 into 10 power n minus 1. Suppose example, you have to find how many number of 5-digit numbers. How many number of 5-digit numbers? How can you find total number of 5-digit numbers? How can you find? You can substitute here 9 into 10 power n means 5-digit we want no. So n means 5 minus 1. Okay. So 9 into 10 power 5 minus 1 how much? 4. 10 power 4. So 9 into 10 power 4 means you have to write 4 zeros. 10,000. So 9 into 10,000 how much? 90,000. So total number of 5-digit numbers is how much? 90,000 numbers are there. Total number of 5-digit number how many are there? 90,000. Okay. So what is the formula? 9 into 10 power n minus 1. You have to find the number of digits You have to find this formula 9 into 10 power n minus 1. Okay, ma? Next, second one. The sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So, sum of first n natural numbers means what, ma? Suppose you have to find sum of 9 natural numbers. So 9 natural numbers means you have to substitute n in the place of 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2. So 9 into 9 plus 1 how much? 10 by 2. 9 tens 90 by 2. 45. So sum of first 9 natural numbers is 45. You don't add all 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. You can't add like that. So what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So we want 9 natural numbers means you have to substitute in the place of n 9. Okay. So that you have to use 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2. So how much? 45. Okay. Next. Third one, sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers, that means one plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus so on. These are all odd numbers. Sum of the odd natural numbers. Okay, sum of odd natural numbers. So what is that formula? N square. What is that formula? N square. Suppose you have to find sum of the first 18 odd natural numbers. 18 odd natural numbers. How can you find? You can add like that. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus. Can you find like that? This is very long process. So 18 natural numbers they want, no? So you have to write n square. In the place of n you should write 18. 18 square how much? 324. Okay, ma? Like that you have to find. Okay. Let us say sum of first n even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. First, that means 1. Even natural numbers, that means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus so on. What is that formula? N into n plus 1. For odd natural numbers is n square. For even natural numbers is formula n into n plus 1. Okay. Next, in the first n counting numbers, if n is even, there are n by 2 even numbers and n by 2 odd numbers. Okay. So in the first n counting numbers, there are n by 2 even numbers and by 2 odd numbers. When if n is odd, if n is even. Suppose example 200 is there. You have to find in the first 200 natural numbers how many even numbers, how many odd numbers. 200 is an even number. Okay. So how many even numbers, how many odd numbers? 200 by 2. How much? 100 even numbers, 100 natural numbers. Okay. Next, if n is odd, there are n plus 1 odd numbers and n minus 1 by 2 even numbers. That means if you take any odd number, suppose 99 is there. In this 99 numbers, how many even numbers, how many odd numbers? How can you find? 99 is an odd number. So, if n is odd, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. That means 99 plus 1 by 2. 99 plus 1 how much? 100 by 2. That is 50 odd numbers. 50 odd numbers. 50 odd numbers are there. And even numbers, how can you find? N minus 1 by 2. Even numbers is n minus 1 by 2. 99 minus 1 by 2. That is 98 by 2. So 2 4 8. 2 9 8. So 49 even numbers. Did you understand that? If n is odd, there are n plus 1 by 2 odd numbers, n minus 1 by 2 even numbers. Did you understand, ma? Next, the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. That means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, plus 5 square, plus so on is there. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. These are all natural numbers, or you know? Squares. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers is, what is the formula? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers is, what is the formula? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next, 1 square minus 2 square, 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square, next plus 5 square minus 6 square, so on is there. Okay. What is the formula? n into n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd. If n is odd. If you take n value odd number, then what is the formula? n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Same 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square, so on, is equal to minus n into n plus 1 by 2 if n is even. If you take n is even number, you should find the formula minus n into n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, means n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next, sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Cubes. Here, squares. Next, cubes. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus so on. What is the formula? N cube formula? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sum of squares of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of cubes of natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay, ma'am? So you have to read all these formulas. Okay, page number 14 and 15. So did you understand, ma'am?